Line graph is very easy for trend analysis. Look at this data table for the item of total income. I want to see the trend over the periods of 5 years from 2013 to 2017. How to do it? Select these two rows, insert line here, line graph, pick the first one. Oh, we already got a line. Let's make bigger. Make this slide bigger. This is Apple company's total income over the past 5 years. So we know that at the year of 2015, Apple company has highest income, and it goes up, goes down, and then goes up. So we can see the trend and the trend. How about we want to analyze all the do the data visualization of all the data in this table. We just select all the data, insert line graph. We got this little one. Let's move to here. Move to here. Okay. Make bigger. Oh, it doesn't looks like. Let's create this. Let's right create and select data. I think we need to switch the row of column, because why we do that? Come back to the truck. Why we do that? Because we want the labels on the assets is the year, the time, not total income or cards of revenue. We don't need this one. So we right click and select data and come to here. We switch. Oh, click OK. Oh, now we have the the line graph we want. The label switch to the years. But it looks like we have so many lines in the graph and too crowded. So why not we just compare the total income and net income? Okay, let's right click the graph and select data, delete it, delete it, delete it, delete it. Okay, we only have 2 lines. Oh, that's enough. This one is total income. The green one is net income. So don't put too many lines in one graph. 2, 3, even 4 are okay, but over 4 you just cannot distinguish which one is which one. Okay, this is the chart title. We put a title in. Total just say income comparison 2013 to 2015. Okay, so we are going to plot one more line graph, the power of 5, to see the explosion of the power of 5. This is the time, the days, and the power of 5. At the beginning, it grows, looks pretty slow, but at some point of time, just get exploding. Let's select all the data, insert line. This one. Whoa. Look at the okay. Why it has the label days? We don't need this. Do we need this? How to cancel this one? Let's right click, select data. I don't think we need days. We just delete it and click OK. Okay. Power of 5. Yeah. This number is actually is scientific notation number. The capital Z, it means 10. The base is 10 plus 14. Then the exponent is 14. So all the number here on this axis, vertical axis, are scientific notation because the number is so big.